Alright, so what is coconut water? Let's start with the coconut tree. The three most common varieties are tall, dwarf and hybrid. The most common tall variety, it takes 5 years of growth before it yields fruit. It achieves full bearing in 10 years and growth can continue for up to 100 years. This means when demand grows, this cannot be adjusted by a quick increase of supply. A coconut takes a full year to develop from a flower into a ripe nut. During this time, the fruit of the typical coconut passes through 3 phases. Phase 1, even before the nut is ripe, when it's bright green, one may drink the water, it's sweet and it's refreshing. Phase 2, after the green stage, the nut begins to ripen. On the outside, it slowly turns yellow. And on the inside, a thin white layer of pulp begins to develop. Phase 3, the nut continues to ripen, the outside becomes harder, and the white meat thickens and hardens. On the previous slide, phase 3 shows the fully ripened coconut. This is the sustainable model for the coconut business, a fully ripened coconut. Virtually every part of the coconut palm can be used and has a significant economic value. An exception is the Thai fragrant variety, which is mainly grown for the water. There are a few other varieties that are grown solely for water in places such as Sri Lanka and the Dominican Republic. The water available from these varieties is a tiny fraction of what would be needed to sustain a market for coconut water. Today, most water comes from the fully ripened coconut. And this makes sense. The water from the fully ripened coconut is loaded with electrolytes. We see no relevant difference between coconuts that are harvested fully ripened or prematurely. Harvesting coconuts prematurely is the non-sustainable model. Besides, why put all this effort in growing coconuts for only water? That's a waste. There's a good reason why we call this tree the tree of life, or the tree of giving. First, we have the coir, which is the natural fiber extracted from the husk and used in products such as floor mats, doormats, brushes, mattresses, etc. Next, there's the brown shell, which is used for fuel or activated carbon. Then there's the white meat, which is either processed into desiccated coconut cream, or coconut oil. Finally, there is the coconut water, which is either packed in Tetra for the retail market, or processed into coconut water to be shipped to export markets, and then packed in Tetra. They always work.